What if I told you that you only need one tool for your entire sales process, and that this one tool can not only handle all of your sales pipeline for you, but it can also 5x your sales? The coolest thing is that at ZELIQ last week, we just launched our V1, and it has a lot of product improvements, feature updates, such as the LinkedIn automation, the enrichment hub, and the advanced search filters. So without any further ado, let's see what all of these new updates are. Okay, so we're going to start with the search bar feature. So basically what you have to do is you go on ZELIQ, you go to the search bar, and you will see the new advanced search filters that were just added, which allow you to target 5 times better. Thanks to these new additions, you will now be able to search people and companies based on job postings, job searches, VC fundings, and even revenue. You can now also filter for decision makers and those who have changed jobs in the last 6 months, and you can also filter by funding round, funding year, and revenue, which is useful if you're targeting high revenue companies for high ticket items. So a lot of good stuff here. We also have a new feature called the enrichment hub that just got better, with 50% higher phone finding rate and 70% higher email finding rate. With the enrichment hub, you can upload a CSV file up to 15k plus leads containing the names and the LinkedIn profiles of your leads, and we will basically enrich their phone numbers and emails for you, so you don't have to do anything. After you wait a few minutes, voila, all the emails and phone numbers are enriched for you. After this is done, there are 2 possible actions that you can do on the enrichment hub. You can either export the enriched lead list, or you can add it to ZELIQ so that you can do an outreach to them via our platform. And now let's talk about the new updates about the LinkedIn extension, which has just got so much stronger and better now. So with our LinkedIn extension, you can now prospect directly to ZELIQ or enrich your lead's email address and phone directly on LinkedIn. You can also generate detailed personality insights here, which helps you to tailor your outreach strategy to your leads. ZELIQ is a workspace where you can manage all of your leads and assign them to your BDRs, SDRs, etc., people in your team. I just wanted to quickly show you how the assigning to team members feature actually works on ZELIQ. This is a feature that is perfect for teams of 5 or more, and basically all you have to do is to go to My Leads, Quick Actions, and assign or unassign the lead to yourself or to someone in your team. Or you can also just go on LinkedIn, and when you add the lead to ZELIQ, you can then assign them to either to yourself or to anybody else in your team. Easy peasy. And now let's talk about the email sequences. So again, we already do have a video about email sequences and how to create email sequences using ZELIQ, so I'm not going to go too much into detail about it on this video, but basically all you have to know is that with ZELIQ, you can create new email sequences from your leads, and with our filters, you can exclude disqualified contacts and customize your emails. And now for the big updates, drum rolls please, we need drum rolls. From now on, you will be able to use LinkedIn automation for your sequences, which will let you add LinkedIn connection requests, messages, and follow-ups directly into your sales workflows. This means that from now on, you will be able to seamlessly integrate your LinkedIn outreach with your email and phone campaigns, making your prospecting much more efficient and effective. Another really cool thing about the email sequences is that we recently added a speech-to-text feature to your emails, which allows you to convert your spoken words into written text super easily. This means that you can quickly capture meeting notes, draft emails, and create documents just by speaking. When it comes to our latest integration, from now on we also have Salesforce and Pipedrive, which allows you to seamlessly sync your data, track your leads, and manage your sales pipeline all in one place. They work the same way as the HubSpot integration within ZELIQ, so if you need more information about that one, just make sure that you watch this video after this video. Do not click off just yet. Make sure to watch the HubSpot integration video to know more about that. here. Now let's talk about the data health. So the data health feature is where you can keep your leads information up to date. So a lot of people change jobs every now and then. It is very normal, but in order to avoid losing your leads information, the data health feature of ZELIQ actually automatically updates your leads job title, email, and phone number. So even if they do change jobs, you do not have to do anything. The data health feature will just update their information for you. And now the pricing. We also need to talk about the pricing. I just wanted to give you a quick update about ZELIQ's new prices because starting from this week, even though the prices remain the same, the rules concerning the prices change. A little bit, just a little bit, don't worry. So basically you will still pay the same amount every month for the ZELIQ starter plan. The starter plan is perfect for an individual player and the custom plan is perfect when you work in a team. And from now on, the email enrichment will cost 1 credit and the phone enrichment will cost 10 credits. If you want to know more about our prices, there is a link in the description box that you can check out for more information. But those are pretty much all the updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. Thank you for watching. I'm really excited for you to check out ZELIQ. See you next week with new tips about sales and bye!